Fiji's tropical climate offers a wet season from November to April and a dry season from May to October. Many travelers mistakenly assume the dry season is always the best choice, but that's not necessarily true. While it boasts less rainfall and lower humidity, it's also peak tourist season, meaning higher prices and crowded resorts. For a quieter, more budget-friendly visit, consider the wet season, where occasional rain showers bring out Fiji's lush greenery and fewer tourists. The cyclone season, coinciding with the wet season, poses a higher risk of extreme weather from November to April. If you're set on a wet season trip, stay informed about weather forecasts and cyclone warnings. It's wise to purchase travel insurance for unforeseen weather disruptions. To minimize cyclone risks, planning your visit during the dry season might be preferable. Your personal interests should guide when to visit Fiji. Divers may prefer the dry season for better underwater visibility, while those interested in cultural events might choose to visit during festivals like the Bula Festival in July. Aligning your travel dates with your interests ensures a more fulfilling trip. The dry season's good weather also brings peak tourist crowds, leading to fully booked accommodations and higher prices. To avoid the hustle and save money, consider the shoulder seasons, like May and October, which offer a balance of pleasant weather and fewer tourists. Accommodation and flight costs can vary greatly throughout the year. Peak tourist season sees the highest prices. To snag the best deals, book well in advance or travel during the shoulder or wet seasons. Flexibility with your travel dates can lead to significant savings. In conclusion, choosing the best time to visit Fiji involves more than just chasing good weather. It's about balancing the risks of cyclone season, aligning your visit with your personal preferences, avoiding peak tourist times, and considering the impact on your budget. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can plan a memorable and tailored Fiji vacation. Ready to plan your perfect Fiji getaway? Contact Far and Away Adventures today. Our team can help you choose the best time to visit, book accommodations, and create an itinerary that fits your interests and budget. With Far and Away Adventures, your dream Fiji vacation is within reach. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.